Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Floetrol is probably one of the most essential additives for any acrylic artist looking to achieve stunning fluid art, smooth brushstrokes, or vibrant pouring effects, transforming thick paints into a beautifully workable consistency without compromising color intensity, making it an indispensable tool for both beginners and seasoned creators aiming for professional-grade finishes and captivating visual textures in their artwork. Number 5. HYGGER Aquarium Double Sponge Filter. This innovative filter offers comprehensive multifiltration, combining biological, oxygenation, and physical processes. It ensures excellent water quality and a healthy environment for your small fish or shrimp. Available in small and medium sizes, it's designed to fit tanks from 10 to 55 gallons. For larger aquariums, you might consider using 2 units for optimal performance. Each package includes the double sponge filter, 2 containers, ceramic media balls, and 2 spare sponges. Please remember, you'll need to provide your own air pump and a standard 4mm air hose to operate it. Its fine 60 ppi sponges are easily detachable for cleaning or replacement, offering a large surface area for beneficial bacteria. Always rinse them with aquarium water to preserve these essential microorganisms. Assembly is a breeze thanks to its detachable parts. With 2 strong suction cups, you can securely position it anywhere in your tank, and its adjustable outlet tube allows for flexible water flow direction. What we like? This filter offers excellent multifiltration, combining bio, oxygenation, and physical filtration. Its detachable fine sponges are easy to clean and provide a large surface area for beneficial bacteria. If you are looking for a comprehensive and easy-to-maintain filtration system for your small to medium aquarium, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. US Art Supply 12-Color Iridescent Acrylic Paint Set. Discover the US Art Supply 12-Color Iridescent Acrylic Paint Set. These extra-large 75ml tubes offer a full selection of unique, eye-catching vibrant water-based colors. They will bring your artwork to life, whether you're a professional or an aspiring artist. Create stunning shimmering luminescent chameleon special effects with these high-intensity paints. They possess remarkable color-shifting properties, adding a dynamic dimension to your creations. Their highly pigmented formula ensures smooth consistency and excellent covering strength. These versatile acrylic paints are excellent for use on a variety of art media. Apply them to canvas, wood, fabric, paper, rocks, and more. Use them to create wall art, portraits, abstracts, landscapes, or any other artistic vision you desire. Enjoy painting with confidence, knowing these acrylics are kid-safe, non-toxic, and water-based. They conform to ASTM D4236 and EN 71 standards. Children, adults, students, and teachers alike love them for their ease of use and impressive visual results. Dive into a palette of 12 bright iridescent colors, including red interference pearl, magic aqua violet iridescent, and gold to silver iridescent. Each shade offers a unique pearlescent finish. These paints provide endless possibilities for your creative expression. This set also includes a double-sided color mixing wheel. It's a simple yet effective tool that helps you mix your desired colors quickly and confidently. This educational guide provides key information about color terminology and artist definitions. What we like? This set provides 12 high-intensity iridescent colors that create stunning, color-shifting effects. The paints come in extra-large 75ml tubes, ensuring you have plenty for your projects. If you want to add unique, shimmering luminescent effects to your artwork and need a generous supply of vibrant colors, this set is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Floetrol Pixiss Acrylic Pouring Kit. Discover the ultimate kit for stunning acrylic pour art. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to create beautiful, flowing masterpieces with ease. Its special pouring medium is designed to give your acrylic paints incredible flow. It ensures your colors remain vibrant and true, never losing their intensity. Inside, you'll find 16 artist-quality acrylic paints, each 2 ounces. From deep onyx to vibrant ocean, their rich, lasting pigmentation will make your art truly pop. This medium mixes seamlessly with your paints, allowing them to flow more freely. It makes them easier to control, perfect for intricate pouring or as a leveling additive. The kit also includes 20 durable mixing sticks. These are ideal for thoroughly blending your paints and medium, ensuring a smooth, consistent pour every time. Don't worry about the mess, its washable formula cleans up easily. Just use soap and water, making your creative process enjoyable from start to finish. What we like. This kit includes a premium pouring medium that enhances paint flow without compromising vibrancy. It comes with 16 artist-quality acrylic paints and convenient mixing sticks. If you are passionate about acrylic pouring art and need a complete solution to achieve smooth, vibrant, and controlled pours, this kit is designed for you. What people say. Number 2. US Art Supply 4-ounce Airbrush Thinner for Acrylics. Introducing a specially formulated solution for your acrylic airbrush paints. This 4-ounce, water-based thinner is designed to optimize your colors for detailed work. It makes your colors thinner and increases their transparency, allowing for intricate details. You'll notice an immediate improvement in color flow for all your projects. Don't worry about compromising your paint's integrity. This solution contains acrylic-based binders, ensuring quality and adhesion remains strong, even when thinned for fine-tipped airbrushes. It's ideal for thinning acrylic pouring art paint to achieve your desired consistency. For fine-line, detailed work, it guarantees a smooth and flawless application every time. This thinner works perfectly with our vibrant acrylic airbrush colors. Together, they provide permanent results on a wide range of mixed media and textile surfaces. It's a versatile tool for artists, crafters, and modelers alike. Use it to reduce the viscosity of various acrylic paints, expanding your creative possibilities. What we like. This reducer is specifically formulated for acrylics, making colors thinner and increasing transparency for detailed airbrush work. It maintains paint quality and adhesion, even when reduced. If you use an airbrush for fine-line details or need to achieve specific consistencies with your acrylic paints, this extender base is essential for smooth application. What people say. Number 1. TCP Global 190 Micron Ultrafine Paint Strainer 50 Pack. Get a generous supply with this 50-count pack. Each cone features an ultrafine 190 micron filter tip, ensuring superior filtration for your projects. These strainers are designed to protect your equipment. They effectively eliminate dirt, dust, and debris, preventing clogs in your spray gun or paintbrush. They are compatible with a wide range of liquids. Use them for solvent or water-based paints, stains, varnishes, epoxy, and more. These disposable strainers are perfect for many uses. They excel with automotive coatings, house paints, and various hobby and craft projects. Their robust design includes a durable, lint-free nylon mesh. This ensures a quick flow while minimizing bleed-through, making your work smoother. What we like. This bulk pack provides 50 ultrafine 190 micron paint strainers, effectively eliminating debris. They are compatible with all types of solvent or water-based paints, stains, and other liquids. If you want to ensure a flawless finish by preventing clogs in your spray gun or brush and need a reliable, high-quantity solution, these filters are indispensable. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, no positive points about Floetrol for acrylic paint could be identified or quoted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.